Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today the chapter name is Physical Quantities and Measurements. It is the whole series of class 9 physics course. Today our topic is International System of Units. So what is International System of Units? The definition is it is a set of units for all physical quantities. Now let's talk about the history of International System of Units. So before 20th century, in every country different system of units were used. For example, foot, pound, second system, FPS system like CGS system, MKS system, etc. Let's talk about what was the problem and how they solved it. When different countries used to have trade with each other, they would have to convert their units to corresponding ones, which was very difficult to convert units every time. So they decided to have a complete set of units. They called it System International. Units are of two types, base units and derived units. In System International, units were assigned to 7 commonly used physical quantities called base physical quantities, and the units are called base units. Here is a table of 7 base units. Table includes time, represented by T, base unit is second and represented by S. Second is length, represented by L, X, R. Base unit is meter and meter is represented by M. Third one is mass, represented by M. Unit is kilogram, represented by kg. Fourth one is electric current, represented by capital or small I. Unit is ampere and represented by A. Fifth one is thermodynamic temperature, represented by T. Unit is Kelvin, represented by K. Fifth one is amount of substance, represented by N. Unit is mole, represented by MOL. Last but not the least is luminous intensity, represented by capital I subscript V. Unit is candela and represented by CD. Now let's talk about derived units and derived physical quantities. So the units which are derived by multiplying and dividing base units are called derived units, and the resultant quantities are called derived physical quantities. Let's take the example of velocity, which is derived by dividing length and time. So the units of length and time are meter and second, which are both base units, and the resultant unit is meter per second, which is derived unit, and velocity is derived physical quantity. Here is a list of some derived physical quantities. One is area, which is derived by multiplying length and width, so its unit is meter square. Next is acceleration, its unit is meter per second square. Next is volume, and its unit is meter cube. So it was all about today's lecture. Please like, subscribe and comment.